Cinco de Mayo.
Cheers.
Delicious. You know, Kyler, when you were 2.5, our second episode was guacamole.
Guacamole originated in Mexico.
By the Aztecs. One thing we're gonna do that's a little different is we're gonna crush it up in this. What do we call this?
Molcajete. Let's start by crushing up the cumin seeds.
Let's.
We're using close to a teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Ooh, I can smell it. Give it a whiff. Cumin seeds aren't as common in Mexico, but we just love the flavor so much. I'm gonna cut half an onion. So we're just gonna give it a head start, because you're gonna crush it up anyway. Start crushing. We're not gonna use the whole jalapeno, I'm just gonna use a little bit. Rip off a little bit of the cilantro and water.
Oh,
That's okay.
it's really full. It's
Yeah.
like a soup or something.
Guacamole soup.
That sounds
Not that bad, right?
interesting.
And again, this is gonna get mashed up. And then you can help me out. Let's mash up a little bit of the avocado, and we're also gonna keep some chunky pieces together. Right in the middle, ready? And it comes right out.
Can I have a snack of the avocado?
Absolutely. We eat a lot of avocado in this house. Here's what I like to do. Watch. I'll do it on this one. These little lines, right? Now we're gonna go this way. Scoop out the pieces and put it right in here.
In here?
Sure. The smells right now are ridiculous. Put a seatbelt on, because this is gonna transport you right to Mexico. Oh no, we don't have our Cooking with Kyler apron on. 2 more ingredients, salt and lime, if you
Can
would.
you try this and see if it's spicy?
Sure. It's not, but it needs salt.
Can you just help me grab the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you.
You got it? Okay, pardon me. Yeah. This looks really good. Hey, you like this video? Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. Share it with all your amigos. And for more family fun videos, make sure you subscribe to Cooking with Kyler.
This looks so good.
Just mix it gently with the spoon. Of course, you could add tomato.
Sometimes people do this.
Yep. I love it. And I love you. And I love you. All right.
No,
Let's give this.
love you.
No, I love you.
No, I love you.
I love you.
No, I love you.
No, I. Feliz Cinco de Mayo. We did it. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Be inspired
Get creative.
and include
The.
kids.
See you later. Great, here you go.
Thanks.
All right, let's get back over here. Oh, look at that dress. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!